Here's Robin. I believe it's Damian Wayne. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is the only Robin that we had at the time through the Multiverse, DC Multiverse 7-inch line. I completely changed the whole back cape to yellow, and I put these stripes down his side of his arms, as you can see. I changed his boots up. I changed the knee pads up. And I believe, if I'm correct and I remember correctly, it's been a while. Yeah, I did, and I went in and I did all the yellow, because this was more of a mustard all over his jacket, vest, shirt, whatever you want to call it. Let me see if I can get a little closer here. This was really cool. This was fun to have a Robin. Outside of that, this was kind of subtle. It wasn't a whole lot going on. I did get into the custom bow, whatever you want to call that, the stick, his staff, his bow. All that is a piece of shish kebab stick with some tan thread, just regular thread that you needle and thread with. But outside of that, man, that's all it was. It was a fun one, man. Real quick and fun. Still, this is what I'm trying to get to the point where my lines are straight, my mixtures are good, everything's clean, there's no overspray. Just trying to work on it, man. That's all I'm doing. That's where I'm at here. But yeah, man, this was my 6, I believe. I think I'm on number 6 custom. Anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate everything. You guys have a good one. Until next time.